In this video, I am going to explain about maps. Can you tell me what is mean by map? Already you know the word map. So many times you have listened that word. Can anyone tell about map? What is the use of map? Right? Where we are using? Always you are using? No, right? At what time you will use? Very good. You have tried, no? Okay. See here, a map is a representation or a drawing of the earth's surface or a part of it drawn on a flat surface according to a scale. Simply you can say a map is a drawing made on a flat surface, which means it is an image which is related to our globe. That means whether it may be country, state or world map, we are drawing that on a flat surface, on a paper, on a sheet. It is a map. Now come to the point of history of map. History means who invented, when they have invented. All this comes under history of maps. The word map originated from the word mappo, and which is from Latin word, which means napkin. Why? Because you can fold it easily, you can carry anywhere and it won't occupy any space. That means much space, and it is in two-dimensional. Now come to the point of invention of map. See, the map is invented 2600 years ago, and it is invented by Anaximander. Earlier maps were made by hand, that means handmade. By using brushes, they have made them. Nowadays, we are seeing printed maps. For example, maps we can see in our textbooks. See, in this image, you can see the handmade map. This is the printed map, example of printed map. Now we are using so many maps. Google Maps we are using, Atlas book we are using, in the textbooks we are seeing the maps. All those maps all comes under printed maps. All these maps together called as a atlas. It is a book. It is a book which consists of so many maps. That means collection of maps. You can say set of maps. This atlas book is having set of maps. Whether it may be world map, world political map, physical map, you can say. The first atlas is made by Gerardus Mercator, and he is from Flemish. Then come to the point of study of map. We are having study of map also. Those people we are calling as cartographers. They will study about the map drawing, and they will go to the particular place and analyze them, and they will include in the map. Those people we are calling as the cartographers. The study which is related to map is called as the cartography. To read map, we are having languages. Actually, we'll use language for communication purpose or for message deliver purpose. like Telugu, English, Hindi, whatever it may be. For maps also we need language. By seeing map we need to understand, right? For that purpose they have included languages. Those languages are comes under these. See, symbols, scale, color, direction. Now come to the point, symbols. Generally when we go to medical shop or any other hospital, you can observe that plus symbol, it will be there in front of that. By seeing that symbol, what you can understand? That is related to hospital or a medical shop, like that. Like that only we are using symbols in the map to come to know whether that place is related to what. For example, if the place is related to post office, they will make a symbol there, post office, parking, airports, like that. So many symbols they will use in the map. Now come to the point, scale refers to the relation between distance on a map and corresponding distances on a ground. Here you can observe the distance on a map and the ground distance. Ground distance means original distance. Distance on the map is what we have represented there. See here, for example, if I gave you a work to draw your house, how you'll do? How you'll draw? Will you take exact measurements of your house? No, right? Simply you will draw like that. Like that only we are having in the maps also scale. Scale. By using scale, we can measure how much length it is. Coming to the point, color. Generally, for differentiating purposes, we are using colors in the map. For example, you can say, if the area is covered with the forest, that area is in green color. They will mention with the green color. That you can see in the forest maps or any vegetation maps you can see. One more example, if the area is covered with the water, then you can say, if the area is covered with water, then it will represented with blue color. That you can observe in the world map. In the world map, the blue color it will be there. You can observe. That represents that land is related to water, water body. You can say water body. Students, tell me, have you seen any different colors in the map? Any colors, any different colors in the map earlier? If yes, please note down the color and representation of that color. Representation means why we are using that color, that particular color in that area. That is meant by representation. As I have said you before, if the area is covered with forest, it should be in green color. I said no, like that. More examples you take and give me the answer. See here, according to this image, they have differentiated with respect to zones. See here, east zone, they have represented with color yellow. In the west zone, they have represented with maroon color. In the north zone with the grey color. In the south zone with the blue color. In the central zone with the green color. By seeing this map, all these states which are having yellow shaded, you can say those states are comes under east zone. Now tell me, which zone is having blue color and the which states are there? Exactly. Very good. This is about colors on the map. Next, come to the point directions. We are having 4 main directions. Already we know about the directions. They are east, west, north and south. We'll say sun is rising in the east side and sun is setting in the west side. Right? See here, directions also the one of the main importance of a map. We are having these 4 main directions. They are east, west, north and south. We are having subdirections also. See here, in between east and north, we are having northeast. In between north and west, we are having northwest. In between west and south, we are having southwest. In between east and south, we are having southeast. These are the subdirections of a map.